G Explorer YouTube channel. I'll be cooking an egg in the sun. Today in Adelaide it is around 42 degrees. I'm heading to get an egg. Hello, where can I find some egg?
Bags full.
Oh, egg.
Oh, sorry. Oh, over here.
Over here. Thank you. I'll get one, please.
Some bags.
Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you. I just got some eggs from the grocery store. I'm heading home to cook it under the sun without any stove or anything. It's too hot today. I'm sweating right now at the moment. Even though the AC of the car is on, but it's too hot. 42 degrees. It's unbelievable. It's only been like 5 minutes I've been in the sun and it's baking hot. I'm under sweat right now. We have arrived. I'm gonna go get the pan and leave it in the sun for a little bit, and then I'm gonna crack an egg on top of the pan. I brought the egg. Give me something to stir it. Oh, it's hot. It looks like it's not that hot. I'll leave it there for a little bit and then I'll come back check on it. It's been about 5 minutes that I've cracked an egg on a pan and it hasn't cooked yet. I think it's because it's a little windy. It's not as hot as it is. Maybe I did something wrong. This is not a pan. Maybe it's because of that. It's a little windy as well, so I think it might be because of that. I'll leave it a little bit longer. If not, then the experiment fails. Look, it's 42 degrees, but it's windy. A little bit windier. It was there, I moved it here. The wind is blowing from that direction, so I moved it here closer to the tire. But still, nothing is happening, even though it's very, very hot. Even though it's very, very hot today. It's very sweaty. I'm very sweaty at the moment. It's even burnt. Look, it's drying so quickly right there. It's drying very quickly. It's been almost 10 minutes and the egg hasn't been cooked. I think one of the reasons is because it's a little windy, as you can see. And another reason is I think it's not a pan. That's why it's just a flat metal. It's not a pan. So I think another reason that it didn't cook is because of that. I mean, it's kind of cooking. The outside is cooking a little bit. The outside, you can see, is cooked. I failed cooking the egg. I mean, the experiment kind of failed. So if you enjoy more content like this, just subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you in the next one. Egg portanast.
Ciao.
बहुत बुलचर